Hi students, if you need any help, we have an option called as help here in our software. Here you can see a lot of different contact numbers. First thing is, if you are blocked from the class, then you have to call to any of these contact numbers, right? To know the reason why you're blocked, because there are multiple reasons for a student to be blocked from the class. You just have to call this number and get to know the reason and get it resolved. Then, if you're facing some technical issues, or let us say there is some glitches because of which you are not able to understand the class or listen to the class, you just have to call the below numbers to get it clarified. If you have any course related details about upcoming batches or regarding feedback, or if you want any customized course, for all of that you just have to call the below numbers. And lastly, if you have any requirement related queries, if you want to get added to some requirement, or if you want to know the status of certain interview when it will be scheduled, you can just call the below numbers.